Yes, my dear students, today we will start the 10th chapter, that is acronymous. Do you know the meaning of acronymous? Acronymous meaning a short word that is made from the first letter of a group of words. For example, if I will give you LAN, LAN. So what is the full form of LAN? Local Area Network. One more example I am telling you. WHO, WHO. The short form is WHO, but the full form is World Health Organization. It is not written in your book, but I am giving you the example. Two examples I have given you, LAN and the WHO. Same you have to do. What you in book, what it is given, acronyms are abbreviations that are formed using the initial letter in a phrase or a name. They are usually formed from the first letter of the word. What I have given? LAN. The first letter is L. So what? Local. A, area. N, network. Here they have given you the full form, but you have to write the short form. Use the clause and write acronyms for these names. First one, what they have written? Blue, green, Elgar. The short form is BGA. Then the second one is binary digit, BD. Third is video jockey, VJ. Fourth one is compact disc, CD. Now the fifth one is intensive care unit, ICU. Now the sixth one is video cassette recorder, VCR. Now the seventh one is thin film transistor, TFT. Eighth one is personal computer, PC. Now the ninth one is electronic voting machine, EVM. Now the 10th one is American Broadcasting Company, ABC. Now the 11th one is Cooperations for American Relief Everywhere, CARE. Now the 12th one is Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. 13th one is Research and Analysis Wing, RAW. Now the 14th one, what they have given? Light amplifications by stimulated emissions of radiations, LASER. Now the 15th one is Center for Astronomical Research and Development, CARD. The same what I have given you the example in the book, they have written you the meaning full and you have to write the short forms. Clear? Now the 11th chapter is British slang. British slangs meaning anybody knows? I will tell you what is the meaning of British slangs. British slangs is the English language. Which language it is? English language. Used and originating in the United Kingdom and also used to a limited extent in Anglophone countries such as the Republic of Ireland, South Africa, Australia, Canada and New Zealand. Especially by British experts, it is also used in the United States of limited extent. So my dear students, what you have to do, the British language is there, so you have to take the correct answer, like choose the correct answer what we are doing, same as it is. Slang is a type of informal verbal communications that is generally unacceptable for formal writing. Tick the appropriate slang. First one is cock, A, lucky and idiot. Now the C one is drunk. So which one? An idiot. Second is gaff, a stupid, wealthy and house. So which one? House. Now third is bell. A, childish person. Second, to telephone. Now C is man. So which one? To telephone. Now fourth one is loo. A, boss, bag and restroom. So which one? Rest room. Fifth one is rip off. A, without money, to cheat, thank you. So B1 is to cheat. Now sixth one is loopy. A, cigarette, dead and eccentric. Eccentric, do you know the meaning of eccentric? Uncommon. What is the meaning of eccentric? Uncommon. Babe, a sweetheart. B1 is a pub. C is to toilet. So which is the answer? A sweetheart. Eighth one is spare. Police, very angry and very happy. So which one is? Very angry. Now ninth one is talk. Which is the answer? Clothes. 10th is fab. Wonderful, fletty and sleep. Which is the answer? Wonderful. Now 11th one is zilch. A, idiot, steal, nothing. So which is nothing. Neck, good, embarrass, black eye. So what is the meaning of embarrass? To hold someone closely. Okay. Now auntie, BBC, girl and unattractive person. Which is the answer? Unattractive person. Now fag. A1 is boss, B1 is mouth, C1 is cigarette. So which is the answer? Cigarette. Now 15th one is Josh. A is money, B nothing, C is ugly person. So which is the answer? Money. Liddy. A1 is anything, B1 is lie, C1 is glamorous. Which is the answer? C1 is glamorous. Clear, students? These two chapters you have to fill in your book only. Thank you, students.